one's a bit of a pretty cool one. We are going off to JapFest today. So I'm going to just put some fuel in. I can't see shit out of this window. But yes, JapFest today. It's like 6 AM in the morning. The sun's out, but it's freezing cold. I'm just gonna go put some fuel in, put some air in my tyres, pick a man up, and then meet with Shara, and we're going off on a I think it's like 2.5 hours.
After 200 yards at the roundabout, take the second exit.
No, thank you. Good morning again. It's 6:30 now, I think, and I'm here with Shara and Aman, and we are going to get some money out. I'm going to get a top up, believe it or not. I'm still on pay as you go. Embarrassingly enough. Don't diss an FN2. FN2s are sick. So we had to pull over because Amma needed the shit.
I don't need the shit, okay.
Amma needed the shit in the trees. Even though there's a toilet over there, he went to the trees over there. That's silly.
Someone followed me.
What, did you drop the shit?
Obviously.
Mad. Unfortunately, the guys in the S14s asked for the screwdriver, but no one's got one. What?
Show me Toyota.
What Toyota? That is God, this is not God. It is a Toyota. Should we go back, yeah?
Well, you're nearly there, innit? So you might as well.
I'm going, I don't have a screwdriver for the cunt. I'm sure someone else would have one, but... Huh?
For the cunt?
Yeah, but I call everyone a cunt. Cunt's a good word. Car's hot. It's not hot as in...
That was a big flame. He said it was
Mate, it was fucking huge! Yeah. The thing is, I didn't film it, man, like an idiot. I had the GoPro on for a bit, and then I just turned it off, man. No, it is a big cloud of black smoke and then a big flame that come out. I go, this guy's just fucking opened his car up now. That motherfucker's just had a baby or something. Then you did it again, but it was like a really small black smoke sort of thing. What happened to it? What happened to it?
I don't know.
Shall I would?
The blade came off or something.
Oh, his lip came off.
Yeah.
Just take it all off this. I got pliers, but he's probably not going to stand though. It's too late. Yeah?
Is that properly closed?
You are?
Is that properly closed?
Yeah, you need to be ready for some.
Right, should we get going, yeah? Peggy with the advance sticker in the place the advance sticker should be. Subaru Impreza STI version, what is that? Version 10 now or something? Beautiful noise. Did you see that other Subaru got pulled over?
Yeah, that was the
After the time that guy, but I don't think it's STI. Look at that, look at that exhaust. Ooh, it's right here. white arches.
Oh, that looks nice.
What? The Civic?
Shit, yeah.
Yeah, it is nice actually. Yeah. GT86 with a big gaming. Big gaming. I used to understand this gang.
EF in blue.
EF Civic VTI. 16 valve.
That
Look at the paintwork on this. Shut it, I'm on yesterday. Show me that camera.
You want to film it?
Yeah, I want to get the paintwork in. Bro, look at the paintwork. That's really nice. What are you doing, Shana?
The phone is
What
on
the fuck?
What are you doing, Shana?
Good to get his condoms.
It's gone now. Oh shit, his thingy's coming off. His sticker. Oh no. Let's take a video of that aerotech because that thing looks gorgeous. That.
Yeah. I mean, Pirates Block.
Pirates black. Pirates black. That is a
Look how clean it is.
sick colour. That is a gorgeous colour. Is that? Also, I'm not a fan of the carbon fibre around the thingy. But it's got an advanced sticker on it, as every Honda does. Retake! Oh, is that how you send a text? A text message?
Yeah.
As in back in the day when you used to go text messages, text messages, is that how you just go on Messenger?
You can do a message.
That's weird. Mate, look at this guy. Costa. Look at that fucking MX-5. Should we go take a video of it?
GTR next to it, yeah.
No, I want to come back and take some.
The GTR next
ST
to it.
next to it.
Yeah, I know, but the MX-5 is MX-5 gang anyway. Once you got
I
an
like the
MX-5.
spoilers.
Bro, do you see that red RX-8?
Oh, yeah, it looks
that
nice.
looks
I
nice,
like
man.
spoilers.
I love RX-8s, man. I love the fact everybody hates them.
What is this?
Look at this MX-5. I mean, apart from the swirl marks, whoever detailed that didn't do a good job, but fucking gorgeous, man. Look at that.
What wheels are those? Lenza. Lexus.
They're not, I don't know, I don't know the Lexus ones. They kind of look like 1552s, but mate, Aman, look at the size of this gear now.
You need one of them. Oh, look at that.
Aman, you need one of
Yeah,
them
that's a nice
up
colour.
your bum. Aman, you need one up your bum. Sexy colour though. The spoiler's a bit of a
The yellow DC5.
I've never seen the yellow. What is that? Y56 one? Y56. Oh, Aman, come here. Junction produce, unlike yours.
No, this colour, isn't it?
No? Oh, the pit crew was.
Yeah.
Yeah, the pit crew was. My own was Marina Blue.
Yeah.
This is a V Special MX-5 Unos Roadster, possibly. Is it Unos? There it is. Mate, look at this, bro. Look at the size of the exhaust of this, bro.
Oh, there we go.
Look at the size of the exhaust tips, bro. Shit, hell. I'd give that a good fucking 10 out of 20. Or 20 out of 10 or whatever the fuck. Start, stop. My car's got start, stop. It stalls and it starts again sometimes. Do you see that? That K10 was nice. That K10.
That's not factory colours, they never came with it.
No, I don't think so. They might have done. Maybe if you like fucking looked at it. Oh shit, stripped out, so I doubt it.
It's yellow inside.
Oh shit! What the actual?
That's,
What the actual shit is this?
that's disgusting.
Aman, what the fuck have you put on this? I hope no one's just dumped that on there. Why would you do that, bro? Come on, man. You're going to work on that, yeah? Does this guy work on Ansomers or something?
Maybe.
Aman, does he work?
A picture of this car, but you know it's not anymore. And look, he's even got the fucking twin, the pink and one in the
Bro, come on, man. This guy's.
This guy.
He should know that Team Nostalgic are all gay boys.
Well, let's go inside, man.
Come on, let's go. I'll come back here later.
Look at these cars.
Look at Mike. Fuck, man.
Did you see that K10 on the way in? That was nice.
What is one?
Bro, look at the stance, bro.
Isn't it?
It's got, if he goes gym one day, I looks at this car. If he goes gym one day, looks at this car. Oh shit, ultralight, super lights.
Who put on?
Bro, side skirt gang.
Which fuck is these ones, bro?
Bro, that's something I do to buy a cappuccino. Yes.
That's my honest today, bro. It's all baby.
Bro, who cares? It looks like an
There
MX
you go.
bacon side skirts.
IQ's on it.
Oh,
Just Twitch, is it?
Shara, look at, oh, Shara, look at the wheels on this. What would you have thought they were?
Rose.
No, Hayashi Streets, but
No, they're rose.
no, but you would have thought they were Hayashi
Yeah,
Streets.
but no, you know what? I'd actually buy these because they look exactly
Because they
like
do
them.
look sick.
Yeah.
Now this steering wheel without the centre thingy pad bit. Because it looks shit with the centre pad.
I think I'm going to be all day, man.
We are going to be here all day, bro. Come on, let's go. Oh shit, S15. If we go further down there, we're going to die. There's going to be too many JDMs, bro. I mean, look at the JDMs here, bro. Look at that fucking MX-5. Angry eyes on it. Look at this. Look at this guy.
Look how many bikes there are here.
Bro, look how many silencers are here. Piece of shit. Look at that one.
Oh, that's shit.
No, that's not shit, man. Come on, that actually looks. It's clean, that though. Wait, you know we're going to get dissed if we keep dissing these cars. MX-5 yellow. Gang. Had one in yellow as well.
Oh, look, it's an iPhone.
I do like this though. I think it looks alright. What are you saying, Charlie?
Oh my god.
Was that the Civic?
I have no idea.
Subaru maybe. I bet he's got a dildo gain up in that. This is nice. Oh, Civic Coupe. Oh, in Milano red.
It's probably done it. It's nasty, dude.
It's beautiful.
The wheels
Man.
are cheap.
I know MB6 wheels are on there. He's got that scorching hot gear knob. Oh, I'll tell you what else he's got, £100 fine. Fucking there. £100 fine, pal. If I got fined for mine, everyone should get fined for their own. Honest. Hey, look at the reg on this. There's an extra letter in it. Isn't that weird?
It's not an extra letter, it's well pretty.
Oh shit, yeah. Oh shit, yeah. Sorry, let me take a picture of my phone, man. We're here, JapFest looking at British cars.
You got your engines.
But still. No, we just smashed it. This is what happens when you feel the day, mate. These guys will get a t-shirt like that, bro. Fuck that t-shirt, bro. I get to fucking go straight through. Will I treat like VIP or not?
Exactly.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Man's in JapFest. Hang on, I don't like Japanese cars.
Oh, yeah. Me too.
I fucking like Hyundais.
I think
Oh, wait, let's wait for Sally. FT2, beautiful. Honda Accord. Is this a Type S Accord or is it a Euro R or something?
Everything.
Celica GT4. Hey, you know what it is? White on white just looks.
Look how clean it is.
I know, bro. Come on, man. Saying, shall I? Again, off it.
Inside the headlight. That one's got it. Oh, that one.
What are you saying, Shabbat? I said, how cool will it be if someone popped up with a team nostalgic decal?
That's so nice.
Oh, that's why I want to paint my yellow, but I
Looks
don't
better
know
than
what
yours.
colour. Oh, fuck off.
Exactly.
I don't have a Del Sol, bro.
Still looks better than yours. Oh, look at that Evo.
Oh, that Evo is nice. Look at that.
Wow, that's Evo. That Evo is really nice.
Oh, look at Alex 7 Street.
Oh, but it's all about this, bro.
Oh, for fuck's sake, the MX6.
Yeah, that's very nice. So clean.
I love these lights on this.
Isn't it? Nice. Oh, it's cut.
Oh shit, biggest one so far.
Yes. I'm filming. Let me film.
You're the biggest one so far.
Biggest one so far.
Biggest one so far.
The biggest one so far.
Yeah, what's big?
That thing.
The white.
this pipe.
Yes. Big pipe and big air filter.
Get the back of it, dude.
Mine's alright, no? That's
Is that not 32?
Yeah,
oh,
with it, yeah.
smart, that's smart.
GTR, little GTR there.
That's sick.
Oh, look at that, that's sick.
That's nice.
Bro, get this pens on it. This is what Gran Turismo back in the day. If my back's camera was working, I think it's, you know, it's too hot.
It's broke the camera. Why did you break it? Okay, so you're off. Do you like this?
I do, I think it's lovely, yeah.
I don't.
Underrated.
Overrated, I think.
Left hooker? They're both left hookers? Aye, they're all left hookers.
Oh yeah, what the hell?
Foreign cars? Oh, they are foreign cars.
Yeah, that's probably why.
That makes sense now.
Yeah.
That makes superb sense.
That's what I'll take.
I don't know, I think that
I'll take up from
the 100 MX doesn't look too bad.
I'll take up from them and that.
Oh, no.
Sure, man. Let me get this in.
Back to the studio. I mean, have you seen this guy's fucking exhaust man? That is sick, bro. Is it just a tip that's been screwed onto
Yeah,
it? It's just been screwed on.
Yeah.
No, it's inside it.
No, it's not.
Yeah, look.
Oh, so it's inside it.
it's
And then
inside
you
and
bought-
screwed on,
so it's
yeah.
like a silencer. You know,
Oh,
what is
yeah.
it, bung?
Yeah.
The exhaust bung.
That's
Anyway,
better than yours.
let's go.
That's better than
That
yours.
is sick, that.
That's better than yours.
You need to get one for yours.
I won't get one mine.
Ooh, his engine's tucking. Do you hear that? That's the opposite. You got a Honda, mate.
That's a WR1, isn't it?
This one.
Oh, mate.
Yeah, WR1, isn't
Is it?
it? Yeah. That colour's on WR1.
Look at the 6 wheels pipe on this.
Oh, you really? Oh, it is WR1.
Okay, with WR1.
I love the blue that style.
Yeah, they do look good. Do this and then that anyway.
Okay, now which way?
Because otherwise I can just
Let's stop working. However, there's a Suzuki Cappuccino here.
It's a Nissan Cappuccino.
It's a Nissan Cappuccino, bro. Look at the size of it. Look at the spoiler. They're fiberglass of themselves. That is cool. That is really cool. Is that?
Sick.
That is wicked.
Is that this?
I love it. Yeah, bro. We're looking at this little juke here, bro.
Oh, look at the RX-7.
Bro, look at the RX-7. Oh my god. I'm going my camera stop working, so you won't have the nice,
His camera's shit.
interesting footage.
Because his camera's shit.
Bro, this RX-7 is gorgeous, bro. Oh my god. Haven't we already seen a 350Z with the 7 Series wheels on it?
Oh, yeah, we are one.
Yeah, bro. Come on, man.
What's it coming in?
Oh, look at the headlights.
Oh, they're sleeping.
Illegal as fuck, but still JDM.
300ZX.
300ZX, old school, nice, standard car. Side skirts on it. I don't know if they're genuine. Some different wheels on the back. It's a twin turbo, a manual.
JZ's and the 1G.
Manual, fucking nice.
Fucking hell, can't believe that.
We've got to stay away from you. We've got to stay away, otherwise we won't get out of this place. Look at that GS. Oh man, look at that GS. Look at the IS.
Oh, look at that Evo.
Look at the GS. Look at the wheel. Look at the back wheels on that GS, bro. What are you on about?
Oh, look at that 200SX.
Let's go over there. I'm going to look at some rail cars. RX-7 FD. We've got all just. Oh man, look at the wheels. Shall you look at the wheels on this Supra? Fucking mate. Gorgeous. Alpine deck. This guy's made smart. Mate.
Wow.
Oh, look at that curb mark. Fuck me. But like,
Cars band top on those. Isn't
cars. Fucking yeah, mate. Look at that. Blitzed. Blitzed wheels. Blitzed. Blitzed wheels on it.
Blitz.
That is fucking. Oh man, you need them wheels on yours, bro.
Can buy me.
One day, I'll buy you anything you want.
Oh, thank you. Your battery is low.
Don't say that, man. I got charged on you.
Not this one.